So this is the most dangerous group of the demographic that the Matrix and the people are trying to control, and they have to have a narrative over, and that's why they're trying to weaken them in every regard. And when I'm sitting there saying, don't listen to the bullshit, become physically strong, think for yourself, prioritize your brotherhood above what the fucking Matrix is telling you, do not blindly comply, resist the slave mind, all these things I'm saying, they just sat there one day and said, wait, the most popular person on the planet is saying, don't listen to our bullshit.
Andrew Tate, his brother Kristen, and two other people arrested on December 29th. Charges related to human trafficking, organized crime, and sexual assault.
Exploitation of women. And being part of an organized criminal group charge.